Okay guys, welcome back to Strands Lighting Division's YouTube channel. We are here on the TRX project. You have seen the first video, I hope. If you haven't, please do that immediately. Last time we spoke about the front. Wow, you have it here. It's one of a kind with those amber lights. We also start to talk about the footstep to create the full silhouette of the vehicle, you know, not only the front but also to go on the side with the amber light. So on this episode we're going to go through how we did the position light on the side steps and some special features that this TRX has. So join me. Okay guys, have a look. You see here we have put it all new Dark Night Slim with dark lenses to give you an extreme cool look. You have a dark car, you have the dark footsteps, and you have the dark position light. You imagine yourself, you're going on the night, and you see the first, you meet by the bad ass front of this Ram with the amber light, the amber glow, and then you see the side, you follow the same pattern, you know, the color is the same. This is unique, this is very nice. On this TRX we also have some special features. It's electrical footsteps, which makes this installation a little bit more tricky. Since we actually have to take them down, we have to fix with cables and also to be able to handle this situation. The footstep is automatic, going up and down. So, and we have choose to mount the position light smart, because when the footsteps are up, which is normally when you drive, you get the best silhouette. But you also get a cool feature when the footstep is going down, you get the light on the ground. So I would say this is the best combo that you can have. To make the footsteps, it needs kind of a lot of wiring and fixing. So make sure you have time if you want to do this change and to add on the Dark Night Slim on your Ram or your vehicle with footsteps. Okay guys, as you know, this is a series of films that we do to show this project with the TRX. The TRX are unique. It's one of a kind. It will be one world unique TRX that we're doing here at Strands Lighting Division. In the next episode, we are going through on the back side. You know, this is very exciting. We're going to go here. We're going to start changing out. We have already a bar here, but we will change that out to bigger, stronger, more cool bar. On that one, we will install some totally new Strands Lighting Division products that you have not seen before. Wow, we're so thrilled to do that, you know. Imagine the coolest thing you have seen. That's what we're going to show you next week. We're going to show you how you can make a Ram look awesome. Our idea with this Ram is to give it this unique look, not only this big one, it will also be very, very clean. All details matters, you know, from the position lights to the mounting position, everything. So bar will get changed. Join us to see more, subscribe our channel and follow us. Thank you.